everyone, welcome back to I Write Code. I am Asim Tara Pathak. Now today we are going to code a Python program that will help us to remind things. The concept is that our program will remind with voice in every hour for taking a break and have a glass of water. So let's get started with coding. You can use any IDE. You can use Python IDE, PyCharm, VS Code, Atom, Sublime, or any text editor you want. I will use VS Code in this tutorial. So open your IDE. Then first open your terminal, because we have to use a Python module for voice. So in your terminal, type pip install pywin32 and hit enter. I have already installed it on my device, so it will say that requirement already satisfied. Now you can use another command also, pip install pywin32. Both are similar. I have installed both command on my device. So let's clear this terminal and start it with coding. Open a new file and save it. I will save it as break reminder.py. So then let's import our first date module, because we have to check the time in minute, hour and minute. So import date time. Then we have to use another time module which is already pre-installed in our Python. Then we have to import win32 com.client, and we will import it as wincl, because we have to type win32.client. So then we will create a speak object. Now speak equals to wincl that we will use this function, this path, and it takes a parameter that is sappy dot capital S small p, then voice. Now we are ready for our voice command. Now we will create an infinite while loop. The concept is that until and unless the user terminate or close the program will not stop. So now we have to directly check a condition. If we have to check date, we have to check hour and minute. For that we have to convert this time and hour to integer form. So we have to convert it with int command, int datetime dot now. It will gives the current now today time and date. Now we will use hour attribute. Then if hour equals to 1, and the minute will also be checked by us in the condition if datetime dot now dot minute equals 00. Then what we have to do is we have to use our speak function and alert the user or give notification to user. Speak dot speak. Then we will say user have a break and have a glass of water, or we can simply say user take a break and have a glass of water. Now we have to pause this system for 60 seconds, because if we don't pause the system, it will repeatedly speak this user take a break and have a glass of water. So we will use time module for it, time dot sleep in for 60 seconds. So, and we have to add a continue also, because the program may terminate when this 2 line will be executed. So now copy this 4 line of code. Then if you put your computer into 24-hour format, paste it, copy and paste it for 23 times. Or if you use 12-hour format, you can just paste it for 11 times. I only use 12-hour format, so I will just copy it and paste it for 11 times. So I have done it. Now let's change this time only. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now finally we are done with it. Now let's run our code once. So you can see that here is nothing printed. Now we will change our time. Now I will change it to 1. Let's see. Minute to 0.
User take a break and have a glass of water.
So you can see this. It is giving voice response for us. Now I will tell you how can you put this when they start up at the computer. So let's stop it. First let's create a note, open a notepad and type start / then it will minimize the window, then type Python, and in this inverted comma put the Python project part, projects, then / then break reminder.py. So I will save it as more files of the pad. So this is it. I will just cut it and I will open startup and I will paste it there. Here is a startup, another VBS script also. It will just greet the user while startup. You can check this video in the description below. So now just restart your computer. Your program will run without popping up on the window. So enjoy, happy coding, stay safe.